thank you for all your recovery.
In the under God and under you, we will success our goal. Today we will go to our country and we will follow everything. After winter delivered, or we'll get the photo and a little later.
For how long you were married when you came here? It's been long.
Yeah.
It's been long?
Yeah.
Okay. So how did you come to know about me?
About you, first I introduced by Aaron. I introduced, and one day I find your in my country in the internet, just like your face, your glasses, your experience, everything is I read in that place. And when I came in India, I related everything with that. It's good. Your experience or the approach. The first thing is the approach with your clients is very good, because different doctors are some this you don't practice is how to help people. Their approach, the approach of the doctors. So I admire about these things also.